Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about to build a 3D project for your house, for your shop, for your business, for your office, any type of that you can build it 3D and it will be look realistic. Let's see how we can do it. Like I am showing you here that how to do it. You can build any furnish any office. You can select any item to include in, like in this I'm showing you how to add the laptop and many more things you can do it. You can build your own rooms, own dimensions, own washroom, kitchen, any type of. You can choose the color of the wall. You can do many things. Like here I am showing you. You can take the snapshot of that, also the 3D snapshot, selecting the view and the sun position. You can show you to your friends, you can send to your friends. It will be more realistic. You can check how the new project will be look like before building it. So let's see how we can do it. After selecting the new project, there will be some of the option to select it. You will do the next. You have to give the name of your project and you have to select the which type of construction, renovation, new or whatever it is, and what type of apartment, house or something else. After selecting these all the options, you have this like this. You have to choose the next. I want to do it fast or want to precise. Choose the room shape and create. It will be created a one room like here I am showing you. Now you can select a wall, two boundary wall, one side boundary and other side boundary. Now select the validate after doing the finishing and selecting the room size, which room size you want. Now you have to build it, and the doors, which type of doors you need, the interior door. There are lots of options to select it from the door types. I'm just showing you the sample. Adding to the project and selecting the position of the door. It is done. You can edit the door width or height and the height from the floor and more options. The room type, you can select it here from the room type, the bedroom, and edit the some of the more things. The flooring, which type of flooring you need. I need the wall and the floor. So there are lots of designs you can select it from. After selecting, it will be changed like this. It's looking very beautiful. You have more options to do in the bedroom, like you can take the snapshot also, and you can do the furnishing. There are many options in the bedroom, beds and more things. There are very beautiful beds also. Add to the project the bed and select the position of the bed. You can rotate it and any of the direction. More furnishings are there. Windows, we will build the windows also. Select and add to the project. Here we have selected the window also. Let's see the 3D type of how it looks in the 3D. It will look realistic. The new project you are building, you are thinking of, you can take the snapshot of this before building it, how it looks, and by looking you can make the changes in the mind, that which one position, which one things are looking good, which are bad. There are lots of options. For the paint also, you can select any type of the paint, color of the paint, wallpaper or the what type of it is. Apply and it will change the color of the wall. Selecting the wall, which wall you want it, and validate. It's looking very beautiful. I'm so impressed from this. So like this you can build n number of things. So I will show you the one of the project that is already built from me. Just a minute. I will show you the fast forwarding of this video, how I am doing the other things also here. Building the washroom, adding the toilet, the bathing tub also, and a number of things. Here is the project, couple of projects I have. I will show you one of the project that I already built, how it looks like, the very beautiful. This is its 360-degree view. It's looking very beautiful. This is the whole house that is built up. All the things are made up, furnishing and everything, the color, the flooring and any of the things that we need in the house are placed. Here is the view from the inside, that we are standing in the center and is showing everything, the 360-degree view, washroom, bedrooms, drawing room, dining room, everything. Let's go to the bedroom. Here we have sofas, bed, carpet, everything. This is the washroom view, the small tub, the shower area, the wash basins. The name of the site is Home by Me, and the link is showing here in the video. You can go to this link and sign up and build your own beautiful house. You can take the 3D snapshots also and share with the friends. Thank you, and watch my other videos also. Subscribe, like, share and comments. Thank you.